Hi guys, so tonight I thought I'd show you some vegan things that you could take with you if you're going on a day hike, or if you want to go for a weekend hike, or maybe you just want to go camping, or maybe just a picnic outside. But here's some things that are vegan that you could try and take with you. These are McDougall's split pea, and all you have to do is add water. You're not going to get much calories out of them, but they're tasty. Okay, behave. Okay, that's the split pea. This one here is a chicken flavored plant-based noodle soup. Then we have this. It's a little lentil soup. They're all McDougall. Okay, next we have this is tofu that does not need refrigerated until after you open it. Of course, once you open it, then it's going to need refrigeration, unless you eat it all, of course. You could take some lentils with you if you're at a camp, and you could cook out. These are red lentils. I'd buy them in bulk. They're very cheap in bulk. Probably $1.19 or something a pound. Here's some pitted dates. Have a little snack. Bottled water. Got some raisins. These are little marshmallows, dandies. These would go good over your, well, I want to say fire to make like s'mores. Bananas, of course. Here's some marinara sauce. This is no oil sauce. What else we got? We got some avocado. We have peaches in a little container. How about some applesauce? You could take some brown rice. Make yourself a nice meal with brown rice and tofu and some sauce. And then you got some good Jewish rye bread. So these are just some quick ideas for you guys to take if you want to go camping, fishing. Well, you don't want to fish if you're vegan. So if you camp or any outdoor activity you need to eat. Hopefully you found this video a little bit helpful. Till next time, please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.